It's fundraiser time. Today is your chance to help the school. It's time for your family and friends to get delicious pizza, cookies, or other treats, for you to have some fun and win some prizes. Take your papers home and share them with your family today. Everyone who's part of the sale is helping in a big way, so don't put it off. Share your fundraiser right away. You'll be getting a sale information letter, a prize chart, and a Little Caesars catalog filled with pizza kits and treats ready to make it home. Pizza kits are a box filled with 3 large Little Caesars pizzas with a special Little Caesars crust and the same secret recipe sauce, cheese, and toppings used in all the Little Caesars restaurants. We have pepperoni and cheese pizzas, crazy bread, garlic pepperoni bread, personal pizza kits, treats, and more. There's something for everyone because everyone you know loves pizza and cookies. Share your fundraiser with everyone you know. Your number one job is to take your papers home, share them with your family, and have a safe fundraiser. So that means never sell without the help of an adult, and never sell door to door to people you do not know. Take orders for your Little Caesars items on the order form found in the back of the catalog. Friends and family can order online using the school ID you find in the sale letter. Start today and be sure to bring your orders and money back by the turn-in date. And don't worry, you don't have to remember this. It's all in the sale information letter. As part of the sale, we like to have fun and reward everyone who helps out. The more items you sell, the more you help the school, and the more prizes you can earn. Everyone who sells 2 will win a fun, flashing emoji ring. But if you can sell 6 items, you'll get our prize from level 2 plus a metal kazoo. If you sell 11 items, you'll earn all the other prizes, plus an LED color-changing rocket lamp. Everyone who sells 17 items gets all the other prizes, plus a fun bubble blaster. Can you sell 21 items or more? Then you'll win an emoji ring, a kazoo, a light-up rocket, a bubble blaster, plus a 14-inch pizza sequins flip pillow. But that's not all. Every time we have a fundraiser at New Bloomfield, we have some students who are superstars. Everyone who sells 30 or more items is a New Bloomfield superstar, and all our superstar students are invited to a special ice cream sundae party during school later this year. Take home your papers today. Share your fundraiser with your family today. Everyone you know will want to help you raise money and win prizes. All you have to do is ask. Thanks for your attention. Be safe, have fun, and thank you for being part of your Little Caesars Pizza Kits fundraiser.